wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best green screens. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. This ephoto lighting kit comes with everything you need to start creating trick photography or videos. Save the camera and the subject matter. The set includes a green sheet, a supportive frame and lights, complete with stands and soft boxes. It also includes a boom arm with a sandbag, and the lights are basic quality but useful. However, the assembly instructions are poor. At number 9, when unfurled, the fancierstudio reversible measures a generous 5 by 7 feet, yet it folds down to a compact size when it's time to put it away. With one blue and one green side, it's convenient for various types of chromakeying. It comes with a zippered case and loops for hanging if needed, but it is tricky to fold it. Coming in at number 8 on our list. The generously sized emart photo studio doesn't come with a stand, but there are 2 ways to hang it, either with a rod pocket at the top or via the included 4 handy clamps. The color is a little on the dark side, but it will work well for editing with proper lighting. It's got overlocked edges to help prevent tears and is made of 100% cotton. However, it does take a while to get the wrinkles out. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for green screens, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the limostudio bodysuit permits an actor to be digitally removed from a scene, allowing for amazing magical effects. It's labeled as one size fits all, but if it's too baggy on your subject, you'll need to alter it to make the editing process easier. The face fabric is see-through and is made of a highly flexible material, but it is sized for a very tall person. Moving up our list to number 6. The fancierstudio chromakey kit is affordable enough for student photographers and filmmakers, as well as a breeze to set up and tear down. This backdrop is a decent size for full body action, with an adjustable height that goes from 3.5 to 8 feet. The width is adjustable too, and everything fits nicely in the included case. However, the stands could be more robust. Halfway up our list at number 5. You don't have to worry about problematic wrinkles with the Savage Seamless Background Paper, as you can unroll a fresh backdrop every time you need one. This non-reflecting surface is acid-free and 100% recyclable. The roll is a cinch to transport, and it's offered in many colors, but it's not as hard-wearing as fabric. At number 4, if space is at a premium, the webaround portable is about as compact as you can get. You strap it onto the back of a chair and get a 56-inch background. That's ideal for close-up live streaming, if the subject isn't moving around. It attaches via Velcro and includes an integrated stabilizer. However, it may not work with all chair shapes. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the versatile Valera Explorer mounts onto its own tripod to make it the perfect height for a webcam positioned on a desk. This model measures 70 inches diagonally and provides a 16:9 aspect ratio, making it ideal for widescreen videos. You can use it in portrait or landscape mode, and is made of a wrinkle-resistant fabric with a high vibrancy for low lighting. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for green screens, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, although it doesn't come with a stand, the Westcott 9x20 offers a good value for the price, especially since it has a top-notch matte finish that isn't frustratingly reflective. It's totally seamless as well, and can safely go in a washing machine if need be. It includes built-in grommets and is a durable construction. It also comes with a carrying case. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Elgato collapsible is there when you need it and out of sight when you don't. Its pneumatic X-frame lifts out of the hard case in seconds, then retracts for both portability and easy storage. The polyester material resists wrinkles. The frame locks automatically and the screen is nearly 5 feet wide. It feels sturdy and stable. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for green screens, or simply click beneath this video.